Welcome to Good Old RVing. My name is Greg, and I'll be hosting this video that I created today. And today it's all about using the oven in an RV. So basically I'm going to show you the right lighting, because it's not like a household oven where you just push a button and it lights. You have to actually use a lighter and the right equipment to have so you don't burn the food that you're cooking, like the pizza tray in there, not the bottom one but the one on the top. And gonna be making a pot roast dinner, and so I hope you enjoy this. And now it's time to eat. So thank you for watching, and it was a pleasure. Like always, if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.